Okay, this is the Solo Pro 328 Xtreme Productions. Let's go through this one more time for those who haven't seen previous videos. I got Xtreme Production main blade grips, rotor head, mixing arms, fly bar, and swash blades. I'm also running the Xtreme Productions Blade 120 SR motor in this at the moment. What I want to talk about today is I played around and tried different settings with this the mixing arms here. There's 3 different positions you can use, and today I'm going to try the shortest link. And what it does is when the fly bar moves, you get more blade movements. And essentially what it does is it will help the helicopter stabilize itself a little bit faster. And we'll get a good chance to have a look at this today because once again it is super windy here. See the trees moving there. And that's in the corner between the buildings. You can see that tree moving there and the other tree over there. So it's quite windy, but as I've showed before, I'm able to cut through the wind quite well with this helicopter. Sometimes the wind will pick it up and push it around a little bit. The idea is to get the tail in the right direction, to cut through the wind or sail with the wind, and it's working quite well for me. So again, that's the Solo Pro 328 with Xtreme Production parts from miraclemart.com. Now let's have a look how this flies for us today. Look at it move, it's just wonderful. The wind is lifting the heli up quite high. See the speed? It's very fast. This is by far the fastest 328 I've ever flown. And one thing that's very, very noticeable when you switch to Xtreme Production parts is the left turns. This 328 will not do very nice left turns, but with the Xtreme Production part, check it out. Check out the left turns. Just beautiful. Now, I'm not actually sure why it's able to turn left like this so well, but it does. Check out the left turns. Check the speed. Whoa! That was a pilot error there with some wind. Very strong wind. probably hear it in the camera sometimes. A little bit of a muffling noise when the wind hits the microphone on the camera. You can actually hear the wind in the videos. Alright, so that's about it for today's video. Let me just trim the tail here and see if we can land this. The wind is so strong. Alright, decent landing today despite the wind. So this is it. This is the 328 Solo Pro Xtreme production from miraclemart.com, and I have to say this was probably my fastest flight with this helicopter ever, and I'm pretty confident, in all modesty, this is probably the fastest flight for the Solo Pro 328 that you will find on the internet. Anyways, the video is there. If you can find a flight faster than this on the internet, please post a video response and let's have a look at it. I'd be very interested to see that, because this, in my opinion, is the fastest 328 out there. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the video.